My name is Dr. Kawaljit Kaur Chatwal. He's my husband, Mr. Jagmohan Singh Chatwal. I have got two daughters. One daughter is in Bombay, married there, and one is with me, staying with me. She's an interior designer. Elder one's name is Sanjeet Kaur, and younger one's name is Simranjit Kaur. I have got this arthritis problem from last 10 years. So I have got a staircase. I was finding very difficult to use it. Then I thought of this lift, and it's really helped me a lot. And I am very comfortable with it. No issues about the lift. And Nibav is a boon for mankind. This lift can be used by kids also. If we don't want the kids to use this lift frequently, there is a child lock in the lift which we can off it. The lift will not work, but it's very easy for children also, so no issues with that. Used by everyone, it's very safe, and even when the current goes off, they have taught us how to operate the lift, how the lift will open. They have completely trained us for that, so no issues for that. The safety features in lift are, if the current goes off, then for 30 seconds we have to wait, and then if you open the door will open, and otherwise I find it very safe to use. And it's looking something unique. People come and ask, what is this? So we show them this is a lift. We give them a trial also. So it's looking very beautiful in a drawing room, and it's matched with the interiors also. See, this lift is a vacuum lift, so there are no screws, no ropes. It's looking very tidy and neat. I mean, it is inside a hall where our sofas are kept. Just beside that we have put this lift, you can see. So it's looking very neat and tidy. So it looks like a showpiece in a house. This lift usually doesn't require much space. It looks like a tube. So it's very easy to install in the house. So when people come to house, when they see this lift, they say, what is this? Then we explain to them. Then they say it's very nice, very neat and tidy. We can install in a house also. And many people they want this lift to install in their house also. While traveling in the lift is very smooth. We can travel it very smoothly. So no issues about that. We came to know about this lift from Mr. Vikram. He was a tenant. Then we approached the office. The office people had come. They said this lift can be installed in the house easily because there is no civil work, no pit, nothing. So we went to the office. We took the demo. There we met Mr. Shrikant Singh. He explained to us about the lift very well, and then he gave us the demo also. Then we liked the product. Then we bought it. Mr. Suresh, when he saw this lift, he was very happy. So he also wanted to buy this lift. And we also told him to approach this Nibav because this lift doesn't have any civil work, so it's very easy to install in his house, because his wife also has got some arthritis problem. So he also wants this lift to be installed in his house. So I recommend everyone, it's a very good product. You can buy it, and people are also very cooperative. Thank you.